Words will never express how much I love you. And I found someone so special, fun, beautiful, it's amazing. From our first fun, crazy date to growing as a family, I wouldn't change a thing in the world. The excitement of our future together has me overwhelmed with excitement. I promise to always be there to listen and protect not just you, but also the girls. I promise to never lose our spark and our passion as we travel through our life together. I love you.
Jim, you came into my life at exactly the right time, when I wasn't ready and yet when I needed your love the most. From the moment you wiped away my tears and held me in the garage, everything in my life changed. We spent years building an incredible friendship. There's no one else in the world I would rather drink across state lines with, or slap with an open-faced Oreo. The day we decided to take a chance on us, you've become the man I want to share all of my adventures with. Every day I get to see you grow more and more into a father for my girls. You understand that they are my world, and you have joined us in this crazy ride to fill it with love, happiness, and laughs. Together we are building a family and a home. You continue to amaze me with your patience for Common Core math, with Maddie's socks, and Mia's nightly water bottles. As we take the next steps, there are a few things I can promise you. I promise you an exciting future of laughs, to always find the most difficult hikes to see the smallest waterfalls, to leave all the lights on in the house. I will leave the garbage and the recycling full for you to take out, and leave half-full cans of sodas around the house. Most of all, I promise to love you with all that I am and be there for you always. You are my favorite person and my best friend, and I am excited for what our future brings. I love you.
If I'm telling the truth, what am I to sail away? 'Cause I don't know where you've been lately, and times have changed, the world's gone crazy. Yeah, I got a secret, I hope you can keep it. You know that I mean this. I will lay my heart on the line for you, for you. Even when we're apart, I'll find a way through between me and you. Between me and you, there's an ocean.
I now
between
pronounce
our
you
love.
husband and wife. Jim,
If I'm
you may
telling
kiss
the
your bride.